Hey, today's video I am going to talk about the Maybelline mascara. I saw there are many people talking about it and I decided to try. And in this video you're gonna have the demo. I have already here, as you can see, in this side, and I'll show you. See, and in this eye there is no mascara. So I did, to get to this effect, I applied, I don't even remember how many times. I just applied so many times and I could get this effect. I'm gonna do now on the other eye so you can see. First of all, I think it's easy. I like the brush because it's easy to apply. I like the way it is a bit lean toward the to the side. There's an angle here you can see, and I like this. And let me see if I can actually apply, because I forgot my mirror, my mini mirror. I forgot in the toilet, so I'm not going up. So that's how it looks like. And it's easy to apply under here as well, and what do you think? I think that is a difference. One thing I don't like, there's so many groomings, I don't know how to say it, but it's kind of like the lashes just stick one close to another a little bit, but something that you can manage. Maybe you can apply it, but you see how it gets, like when the lashes just get a bit like stick together. And so this is the Sky Lash Sensational from Maybelline, New York, and it's supposed to give you, I guess, volume. As from I didn't read the package because I want just to try before reading any information, and don't be biased by what they say and just talk about what I see. I always like to do this when I finish my lashes, so it can get a nice little curve. And well, from length, I think it gives a nice length. From volume, I think it gives a nice volume, but I just feel that the lashes might get a bit stick to each other, and the lashes get a bit messy, like plum 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 from one side to another. Let me try, see if I can fix it. It's kind of like give my lashes some, make it look messy, something like this. But I like the brush. I like the durability. I think it lasts long. It's just the only thing I don't like is the way that the lashes just get stick together, like, and get a bit messy. But overall, it's a nice mascara. Have you tried this mascara? If you tried this, let me know in the comments below. Let the other people who are watching the video know what your opinions about this, and remember to subscribe and like and share. See you in the next video.